Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put star shape in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert a star shape. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the tool section and select the shapes drop down menu, and we can see here many shapes. You can see the double star tool, otherwise the star tool. You can add any star. Now I select the star tool. Then draw this star, press shift on our keyboard. Now we can see we insert a star. You can insert the another star. Go back again the tool section and select the shapes drop down menu and choose the double star tool. Then draw this. Then select the move tool and you can move the shape anywhere. You can change the fill or stroke color. Select the shape and select the fill option and change any color. Otherwise you can add the dot border or more than border style. Now we can see we insert star tools or star shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.